Listen, making money online is not that difficult like a lot of you think it is. The problem with a lot of you, you just don't do it. You don't commit to it. Listen, what I'm going to show you in this video is how to leave simple comments. You don't have to sell anything. I'm not talking about affiliate marketing. Simple comments here on this very, very cool site, which will allow you to make money every single day. I have people right now, they make up to $700 and more per day using this method. So listen, hey, always show me love, and I appreciate, like, listen, come here. I appreciate you showing me love. First thing is this, go to a site by the name of findaforum.com. Now listen, like I said before, you don't have to sell anything. This is so easy to make money online. Like, you are going to love me, you're going to hug me because it works so fast here, okay? So listen, you go to findaforum.com. You go to categories, okay? Once you're in categories, what you want to do is choose a category that you like. It could be any category. And no, you don't have to be an expert. No, you don't have to have any information about the category, right? I know tons of people today that make a lot of money using this technique here, and I took it from them, and now I'm giving it to you because I'm a part of this cool group that I pay like $10,000 plus per month, and I learned it, and I'm giving it to you. Understand, these techniques and methods are fresh, they're new, and you can use them today as in right now, okay? So, say if we choose, not sexuality, get your mind out the gutter, folks. Hey, dieting and weight loss here, okay? So I'm gonna go here, and you see all these different forums here. And the great thing about these forums is we have 186,000 members here, 153,000 members here. We have 52,000 members here. So the great thing about that is that we need these different forums because we're going to sign up for them. Now listen, like I said before, you're not going to sell anything, okay? Because if you sell things on this site, you'll get banned. I am aware of that. But what I'm going to show you is something that's, I want to say backdoor because a lot of people just don't know about it. I want to say esoteric because, you know, you have no clue that people are doing this every single day, making $700 plus per day. Like $700 a day is about, wow, $21,000 per month. Like, imagine taking action today and making online, committing to a process here, me and you, and making $21,000. What would you do? Would you go to Miami like me? I don't know. Would you buy a luxurious villa like I did here and pay $20,000 per month? Probably not. But listen, this is what you do. You want to register here like 3 fat chicks on a diet weight or active low carb forums here. You want to sign up to the forum for free, okay? So once you get your membership, then you want to move over to a site that's called Audible, okay? Audible is a company that Amazon owns, okay? Audible. Say Audible. Audible is nothing but a company that if you have a book and you don't like to read, which I know some of you hate reading, like, smash the like button if you don't like reading, like, smash it. Now, if you love reading like me, smash the like button and in the comments below say, Wesley, I love reading. Understand this. Knowledge is not only power, knowledge is profit. Okay? The more knowledge a person has, the more profitable he or she will become. Yes? Yes. Now listen, what you want to do is this. Now, I'm going to go to google.com because I need to go to a certain website. I'm going to type in Audible affiliate here, okay? Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Audible, here we go. So basically with Audible, we're going to advertise, drive traffic, and earn money. But listen, like I said before, we're not going to sell anything at all. You're not going to sell a dime. You don't need to worry about affiliates and affiliate marketplace. No, we're not running Facebook ads. We're not running Google ads. Everything that I'm showing you is 100% categorically free. Gratis for my Latinas and my Latinos. Okay, listen. So what you want to do is click on Become an Affiliate. But let me show you the type of money that you already earn. Now, understand this. I'm already an affiliate because I actually do this. I have 20 streams of income online. Some are huge, such as like $500,000 a month, and some are small, such as $500 a month. But listen, every dollar counts, right? As long as you take massive action. So check it out. What you're going to do is you're going to take your affiliate link that you're going to sign up for free on this site on audible.com. And understand this, you're going to give people what is called a free trial. Okay, that link is going to give people a free trial. It's $5. So imagine this. If you had 5 or 100 people in this group, it's 186,000 members. Say if only 100 people per day, all they need to do is sign up free. They don't have to spend any money. They don't have to do nothing. It's free. Just to sign up, they're going to pay you $5. And I'm going to give you the strategy in about 5 seconds on how this all connects together here. But imagine if you got 100 people just by posting something here in this free forum here. That's 100 times 5. That's $500 a day. Do the math, big head. That's $15,000 per month. Why are you working a job? Stop it. Right? The internet have billions of people. And what's great about this, because I know what you're thinking, well, Wesley, are you saying that I just need to put my Audible link right in forum and that's it? No. You got to be smart. So what you want to do is this. Since this is targeted, right? This niche is dieting and weight loss forums. You want to go to what? No, not to my Instagram page that have 1.1 million followers. No, stop. You want to go to google.com like this, and you want to type in best weight loss books, okay? Like this. You see it? So, many habits for weight loss. So what we want to do is we want to choose a book that we know is in Audible. That makes sense? So you search here, and you type in Audible. Because what we want to see, if that book is on Audible, as you can see, it's right here. So this book here, this book here is what you're going to have a link for. Does that make sense? So guess what? You go to Audible here when you sign up for your free affiliate account, right? You do it easy here, become an affiliate here. Click. And then you're going to search for this book in Audible. Audible is going to give you a link, okay, guys? Audible is going to give you a link. You take that link, you go to the forum, say, hey, guys, I just read the greatest weight loss book on the planet. Check it out here. You may like it. That's it. You leave the link to the book. They sign up for free. Just say it's free. It's a free trial. They check it out. When they click on it and they sign up for the free trial, you're going to get $5 every time somebody do this. So check this out. Imagine doing this 1 hour a day, okay? Like you doing this 1 hour every single day, right? You can go to any niche that you want. It doesn't have to be diet and weight loss, right? You can find something here that you're interested in. It could be sexuality for all you nasty people here. You can find a book about sex, right? And trust me, sex sells, baby. It really does. And you could take a book and you could post it in a forum. And if you keep doing it every day for 1 hour a day, adding the link, it's almost impossible not to get 50 to 100 people to sign up for free. It's free, okay, for 7 days. They will do this and you'll make money on autopilot here, because understand something about the internet. Once you put a link online, it is there forever. Make sense? See, we're not trying to get people to buy anything. We're not trying to force people to do anything. We just say, hey, this is a book I read. Here's the link. Check it out for yourself, okay? Does that make sense so far? Now listen, how many of you can do this? And you can do this in any niche. Like I said, sexuality, right? Sex, right? Bisexual, bi-curious men, cross-dressers, whatever. Say if you want to do a book about bisexuality, right? Whatever. You go here, you type in best books for bi-curious males, right? Boom. That's it. You see all these books here? The Power of Letting Go. These are very popular books. So the thing is, you go back to Audible, you find that book, if it's in the Audible format, and then you say, hey man, I read the best book about bisexual, bi-curious males. Check it out. Same thing with cross-dressers. Same with, does that make sense? Smash the like button if you can do this. Look at me. Look. You can do this, okay? Look at me. You can do this. What I've explained to you is how to make money very passively by using forums, okay, and recommending books. You're recommending books that's from Audible. Audible is going to pay you $5 every single time you do that. Does that make sense? Hey, I love you so much. This is Wesley. Billion dollar virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.